What happens when political connections and public trust collide? Singapore's Attorney General's Chambers, AGC, finds itself in the spotlight once again following an explosive interview by economist Li Shengwu with the New York Times. Shengwu's remarks, featured in the video titled, "How Tyranny Begins," have reignited concerns over the appointment of Attorney General Lucien Wong. But why is this case so significant? And what does it reveal about the balance of power and independence in Singapore's institutions? Stick with us as we dive into the details. Wong's appointment in 2017 was controversial from the start. Despite his stellar career in corporate law spanning more than 4 decades, Wong had never argued a case in court before assuming the role of AG. This lack of courtroom experience is highly unusual for a position that demands legal mastery and prosecutorial authority. Adding to the complexity, Wong previously served as Prime Minister Li Shengwu's personal lawyer during the high-profile family dispute over 38 Oxley Road, sparking concerns over impartiality. Why does this matter? The AG's role in Singapore is dual, advising the government and prosecuting on behalf of the state. Independence is essential not only in execution but also in perception. Critics, including opposition leaders, argue that Wong's ties to PM Lee created a perceived conflict of interest, potentially undermining public confidence in the AGC's ability to act impartially. Here's where things get even more intriguing. Wong's reappointment for a third term in January 2023 means he will serve until 2026, when he turns 72 years old. This far exceeds the recommended AG retirement age of 60. Singapore boasts a deep pool of experienced and qualified lawyers. So why was Wong's tenure extended? Is this a sign of trust in his expertise, or could there be underlying political motivations? The government insists that due process was followed in Wong's appointment, including consultations with the Chief Justice and the Chairman of the Public Service Commission. However, these reassurances have done little to quell public skepticism. Li Shengwu's interview adds fuel to the fire, alleging that Singapore uses its legal tools to suppress dissent, a claim that aligns with concerns about Wong's controversial appointment and extended tenure. What does this mean for Singapore's institutions? In a democracy, public trust is the cornerstone of legitimacy. The AG's independence, both real and perceived, is critical for maintaining faith in the legal system. As Singapore transitions to leadership under a new Prime Minister, the unresolved questions surrounding Wong's appointment will continue to cast a shadow on the AGC. What do you think? Should greater transparency and succession planning be prioritized in such critical appointments? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth news coverage that gets to the heart of the issues.